Okay folks, hello and welcome back to Relaxing Woodshop. So as anybody that has been following our show has been saying that we're restoring the workshop and we're moving on quite quickly. So our last video we put together this miter station using IKEA products like the wee doors and the tables, and then I added my own flair to it and put this beautiful gapper or spacer in between, but I used it out of an old spindle, so it looks lovely and it looks very neat. Now what I need to do is we need to, obviously with it being a Mitre Saw station, I need to put my adjustment on my line so I can go in and cut repeatedly. I also, from our old shop, kept these, and what I need to do is split them up. So I need to basically take all the boxes off, split them in half, and then I need to paint this a different colour to match the workshop design. And then I'm going to put them on the higher level at the back, and then I'm going to put a wee shelf above them to give me more space again after that. So rather than me talking, let's just go. So folks, that's the last beam. I couldn't record the last beam there because I only had one pair of hands, but that's the beam in, nice and solid against the back brackets. I painted this wee bit up here because that's going to be showing. I have ordered another one of these aluminium T-bars, but it'll not be here for a few more days, but we can still install this one and then get it leaned up against the fence. Well folks, so there we have it for another week at the Relaxing Wood Shop. As you can see, it's looking very, very good. We're not completely finished, because obviously, attention to detail, I want to put a nice wee trim around the shelf at the top there, because, you know, it's just to take away that board basically. And then we've got more of these coming, so I'll be able to put the fence all the way out the either side. And then I might paint that a different colour, the wee top bit there, but it just gives it a split level, all the units there, and then another level, so it's kind of working its way back as it goes. And yeah, I think it looks fantastic. Also, just in between time, didn't show me getting it, but this is a kick plate for the big saw, so should anything happen while I'm in the middle of it and it goes off, I can just give it a kick and that'll switch it off there with my Crocs. So yeah, I think it's looking fantastic. Couple of just a wee bit of TLC and it'll look amazing. So next time we're going to do something very similar, except just a standard top. So I built, as you know, all the units up. So we'll show you, because a couple of people were saying, oh, I've never seen how you did the doors with putting the wee handles on perfect. So we'll do that in the next show, where we've got another unit, a couple more units going up, and I also want to put my slide in boxes as well. So that's on the next time at the Relaxing Wood Shop.